Hello, my dear friends. I am Binoy. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Binoy's Thought. Last week, my fifth emerging sector, that is renewable energy sector, and I selected one stock, Vary Energies Limited. Already give 10% return from my recommended level, but it's a long-term story. Please hold the stock. So when we talk about Vary Energies Limited, we have to talk about another company in the same sector, that is Premier Energies Limited. So Premier Energies Limited is the second largest manufacturer of modules, solar modules. First manufacturer is definitely Vary Energies Limited. So the second largest manufacturer of solar modules as well as solar cells in the country is Premier Energies Limited. So we must have Premier Energies too in our portfolio. When Vary Energies give good return, 30-40% return, Premier Energies also give the same return that Vary Energies Limited will give to us. So we have to concentrate on these stocks too. So I write down some points regarding Premier Energies Limited. I like to share with you all of these points. So after studying your own, please decide about this company, whether to invest or not, because as per SEBI rules, no recommendation is possible. So this is just my view about Premier Energies Limited. So please have your own study before taking position in the company. I have a membership channel in that I recommend stocks which was in breakout. But I choose only fundamentally very good stocks for my sectors. Everyone will have 5 or 6 stocks, our conviction stocks, which is very good for long term. But we can't able to track all fundamentally very good stocks. So what I do is that I set apart 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs for swing base. And whenever I see a fundamentally very good stock in breakout, I enter into it. And after getting 10 or 15% profit, I take profit. And by that profit, I buy those stocks which I hold for conventional basis, for long-term basis. And again, put the 3 lakhs again to the market for swing based trade. In that case, also sometime failure happens. And the breakout will see, but it may be a false breakout. Anyway, if you are buying a fundamentally very good stock, there's nothing to worry. So that's why I select only fundamentally very good stock in breakout. 60-70% will success, 30% will come down, which is happens in stock market. So if anyone is like to join my membership, please join my Emerald membership to get the exclusive members only videos. So okay, let's come to Premier Energies Limited. So Premier Energies, as always told, is equal to Vary Energies Limited in fundamental wise. So it's also providing, Premier Energies is also providing engineering EPC work, engineering procurement and construction works services for solar power plants. It's very important news. And one important thing I want to reiterate that in last video also I said, the next sector, the sector of 2026 will be renewable energy space, especially solar. We have seen a great jump in all defense stocks in 2025. The same thing will happen in 2026 towards this energy sector also. So all energy sector, whether it is renewable energy, whatever it may be, it will fly from this level, especially this renewable energy sector. So these two companies will be in our radar for the next year. And Premier Energy is the first company to manufacture TOPCon solar cells and has state-of-art facilities in Telangana. Another point, the company is serving more than 13 countries in the world and provides end-to-end solutions for the entire solar value chains. And the most important fact is that they have less exposure to America when compared to Vary Energies Limited. At the same time, they have a presence in more than 30 countries too. And the company has skilled professionals and experienced engineers to develop their businesses. And the mission of Premier Energies 2028 is that they are going to enhance module capacity to 11 gigawatt, solar cells to 10 gigawatt, and they are going to double the production of ingots and wafer to 10 gigawatts. And they are also planning 12 gigawatt battery energy storage system, BESS system. It's very important for future, and 3 gigawatt inverters expected to boost revenue for 2027. And is also backed by our government policies too. First, PM Surya Ghar Mufti Bijli Second, PM Kusum scheme. Third, CPSU scheme phase 2, or enable the company to expand its market share in our country. Already they had 20% market share in our country. This is all the positive news regarding Premium Energies Limited. India is targeting 500 gigawatt of non-fossil fuel capacity by 2030, and out of 500 gigawatt, 300 gigawatt is developed through solar energies. So with that, company is going to deploy 12,000 crore capex plans is scheduled to more than double the solar cells and solar module manufacturing capacity next year itself. They already have 5.1 gigawatt. They're going to enhance the capacity to 11.1 gigawatt, and they have 3.2 gigawatt solar cells as of now. And they are going to enhance the capacity to 8.4 gigawatt. Now they have a workforce of 6,600 employees, 66,000 employees, and the company is expected to double it to near about 14,000 employees in future. And most important thing about Premier Energies, in June 2025, June 10, 2025, there happens a change of hands of shares. One of the anchor investors named South Asia Growth Fund offloaded the stake. 5.54% of the company's outstanding equity change hands. Near about 2,629 crore deals. It happened, block deal was happened. So anchor investors after that period, they can sell the share. Nothing to worry about that because they get IPO at cheaper rate and they will get higher rate. They will definitely sell the stock and they will use that amount for some other purposes for the businesses. It's not a matter. The matter is that at which rate anchor investors sell the stake and whoever buys the stake. That is the most important things to be noticed. And most interestingly, the anchor investor South Asia Growth Fund offloaded the stake just 1% below the current price. When the share was traded at 1,062, they offloaded the share at the rate of 1,052 per share. So it's very, very positive for the company. And the investors who brought stocks is one is SBI Life Science, Kotak Mahindra Fund, ICICI Prudential, HDFC Life Fund, Bandhan Mutual Fund, Axis Fund, Quantum Mutual Fund. Every of the Indian prestigious funds brought this check. SBI Life bought 23 lakh shares, Quantum Mutual Fund 47 lakh shares. It's greatly encouraging. And apart from these Indian mutual funds and funds, FIS also interested to buy the stock. Nomura Singapore, Motilal Oswal, Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs, Edelweiss, Citigroup Global Market Mauritius, Blackstone Fund, everyone entered into this company through this block deal. Nomura Singapore had 24 lakh shares, Morgan Stanley 16 lakh shares, Goldman Sachs 4 lakh shares, Edelweiss 14 lakh shares, Citigroup Global Market Mauritius 12 lakh shares, Blackstone 4 lakh shares. Very interesting. So everyone is buy this stock at the rate of 1,052. Now the share was traded at 994. Why can't we buy the stock? So the shareholding pattern, let us look. Promoters still holding 64.25% of the company. FIS increased the stake from 2.96 to 4.38. DAS increased the stake from 8.66 to 12.96. Very interesting. Altogether, 80-85% of stock is held by FIS promoters and DAS, and only 20% is with our retailers. Present value 994, year high 1,388, year low 774. Drastically below his year high. P ratio is just below the industrial P. Industrial P is 47 and P of Premium Energy is 23. EPS of 23. Net profit of 2024 is only 230. From that level, now the net profit of 2025 is 936 crores. That is, and June quarter also is given fantastic result. June quarter, it shows a profit of 307 crores. At the same time, June 2024 is only 197 crores, 55% appreciation year-on-year basis. And quarter-on-quarter basis also there is a 10 to 50% appreciation seen. Share capital only 45 crores. Little equity is there. So this stands for speculation is very high for the stock. So whatever may happen, the operation may play. But anyway, when the movement start, it may go to its year high. Reserve of 2,770 crores. ROE of 33.20 and debt equity reduced to reduced from 2.92 to 0.67. That's also they are reducing drastically, consistently reducing the debt also. So in every way, it's a very fundamentally very good stock to invest for long-term basis. So as usual, I'm not a CPA registered analyst. So please have an honest study before taking position in the company. If anyone is new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Please pass my videos to your friends, relatives, like it, and comment on my videos always. Thank you. Thank you very much.